like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh.
Hi everyone, I'm starting applying an eyeshadow primer all over my eyelid.
My mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Now I'm taking Wedding Planner, a cream colored eyeshadow, and this is my brow bone highlight. With a fluffy crease brush, I'm taking my favorite eyeshadow, Charm, and I'm applying it all over my crease. Then I sweep up the brush through the temple to create an elongated shape.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see.
With a blending brush, I'm taking Aventador and I'm applying it over Charm, but I don't blend it as much as I did with Charm.
I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
Now I'm taking Call Me Queen with a smaller blending brush, and I'm doing the same thing I did with Aventador. Now I'm taking Dominatrix with a small brush and I'm adding more depth into my crease.
Over the edge, feel like
Now I'm applying a full coverage concealer all over my eyelid.
pain I felt is paid.
With a pointy flat brush, I'm cleaning up my cut crease.
I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent.
Now I'm taking again a wedding planner and I'm applying it in the inner portion of my lid. Same brush, I'm taking Charm and I'm blending it with wedding planner.
Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling fearless. Exaggerated, that's what you assume.
Aventador, same brush, and I'm blending it into Charm.
I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance, not the life I want to live. I want to take it all, standing tall, fear outweighed the person you are.
Call Me Queen, same brush, I'm blending it into Aventador. That's right.
holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
And of course, same brush, dominatrix. Guess what? Yes, I'm blending it into Call Me Queen. Fuck yeah! I know guys, I know, I'm so fucking boring. Now with a pen eyeliner, I'm drawing an eyeliner shape. But I leave a blank space in the center. And then I create the inner corner wing.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done.
Now I'm taking this amazing product and I'm applying it in the blank spaces on my eyeliner and on my crease.
I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless.
I can't get enough of this eyeshadow, so I'm applying it under my lower lashes. Now I'm taking a fetish and I'm blending it into charm.
Exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still.
And now I'm applying my new fave black pencil on my waterline.
Fear I wait the person you are. Oh, break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it in a sense, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all.
On my lips I'm applying a deep red matte liquid lipstick. So guys, that's the final look. Please excuse my terrible voice, but I'm fucking sick. Anyway, let me know what you think in the comment section. Give me a thumbs up if you like this look. Don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.